Hey everyone, here's a quick guide on how to retire safely, no matter what age you are. Know exactly how to plan your earning and retire safely. Take note of what age groups you are in and try out the ideas. Let's start with ages 18 to 24. At this age, you may be starting your career or studying still. So, firstly, I recommend you to get yourself a credit card with no annual fee. Second, try to have 2 to 6 months worth of expenses saved up in cash. At this age, you should start investing in yourself and to build your future. Moving on to ages 25 to 29, at this age you may have started living on your own and taking on more responsibilities. For most people, your priority should be finding a long-term career, building on your strengths, and working as much as you can to maximize your income and start saving seriously. If you are between the ages of 30 to 39, first, aim to completely get rid of any bad and credit card debts or high-interest loans. Try to save at least 20% of what you pay. Your net worth should be 4 times the amount you spend each year or 2 times the amount you make each year. For ages 40 to 49, this will be your peak earning years. So, you should consider buying a home, if possible, max out your retirement accounts, and aim to save at least 5 to 7 times your annual spending. Moving on to ages 50 to 59, at this age you'll need to closely track your expenses. Tracking the expenses will give you the best understanding of how much you'll need in retirement and how much more you'll need to save to get there. Second, depending on your situation, you should be about halfway through paying off the mortgage on your primary residence. Ideally, you should have 5 to 7x of your annual spending invested. For ages 60 to 69, congratulations, you've made probably the final stretch. First, you'll most likely have already paid off your mortgage. Second, spending begins to decline after the age of 65. Even though it might sound depressing, research suggests that worsening health associated with aging reduces the need or desire for some types of spending, such as trips and vacations. So, at least the bright side is that you can save a little more if you haven't done that already. Third, now is the time when you can begin withdrawing from your retirement accounts without any penalties. All of this is meant to get you to realize that, at the end of the day, even though the net worth is something to consider, a much more reliable indicator of financial independence is simply how much you have invested relative to how much you spend. It's all about starting this as soon as you can, even if you're behind, and then working within your means to understand what you need to do to reach your future goals. That's it for today's guide on how to retire safely, and we hope you found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you at the next one.